Hi guys, we've just parked up at Derwentwater and the big car park. Paid £6.30 for 3 hours. We're not walking right away around it, but we'll walk so far. It takes longer than 3 hours to walk around Derwentwater, so we'd get a parking ticket if we did that. So I think 6 hours is £8, what did I say, £8.70 or something?
Something like that.
Yeah. So we thought, no, 3 hours should be plenty, just to get some video footage and some drone footage.
Hopefully.
Yep. Looking forward to it, it's a lovely day. Just in front of me you've got the theatre on the lake. And then you've got toilets to the left. Let's see what's on at the theatre on the lake. I'm saying cafe, because there's a cafe here as well. Just videoing these if anybody's interested in coming. So there we go, Derwentwater. Car park is very busy. Still some spaces left, so that's not too bad, but it was quite busy for this time of the morning. We're on 11:25. I got up early this morning on my day off. Beautiful day again. All the hills. Beautiful part of the world, everybody. How beautiful is that, everybody? We'll be going down to see the swans and that later.
The lake.
I know. I'm just saying what a lovely view it is. Probably said that a million times. But I'm not bothered.
There's a path up that hill if you want to walk up that hill.
No, I don't think so.
Just sort of ask.
Wouldn't know how to get there for starters. He's talking about that hill over there, by the way. I could maybe get halfway. Not looking. He's not looking.
What?
Going to set up the drone now. So we'll just watch what David does, see if he can set it up.
I can't fly it, but I could maybe set it up.
Yeah, he's going to get it out of the case. He says he can't fly it, but he could if he tried. I might give him a little lesson today. So as you see in this bag, we've got the drone. Oop, my shadow's in the way. We've got the actual drone. And he's taken the propellers out. We just hope no dog chases it.
Get it up in the air or no?
No, I know it won't chase it up in the air, but it might chase it when it comes back down. We shall see. So, that's the guard for the gimbal. Just be careful of that gimbal. It's very, they reckon it's very flimsy. Well, not flimsy, but... And that's the controller.
That's all we need.
Yeah, and it gets connected to my hotspot on the Wi-Fi. But it still doesn't need the Wi-Fi because it can find its way home. So I'll have to set the height. We've got to set it higher than the trees. So what I'll do is I'll let David video me to start with, getting it up in the air. First of all, I need to set it to my hotspot. So I'm just going to go down. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that.
No, it's unclear, I think.
I'm trying to set it to my hotspot. No, it's still got a... There we are. I'm connected to the hotspot. So the next thing we need to do is we need to set the return to home altitude. Obviously we want it higher than the trees. So there's not very many high trees around here. So I would say about 100 foot, do you think?
Aye, that'll do.
Say about 100, because I've never really gone too high on it. Maximum altitude 393 feet, maximum distance. So we've got that set up, guys. So we just need to go back to the go fly. You'll probably not be able to see this actually. So I press go. So I for take off.
Oh, there we go.
And then the drone takes off. And the thing you see right pointed down. I haven't set the video yet for it. So it was right pointed down, there we go. So now we can set it up in the air. Are we ready for this, guys? So we've just come a little bit further. Just watching the boats come in and things. Just had the drone up and I went quite out over the lake. I was quite proud of myself. So when we get back down further down, there's a green bit. I can set it off there again as well. Lots of people waiting for the boat trips there. At least we came out this morning because I think by this
They're not all getting that.
by this afternoon it'll be rammed.
There's not all going to fit in that
Yeah.
one boat.
I see what you mean, yeah. Yeah, David says all them people's not going to fit in that little rowing boat over there. A joke. There's a bigger boat coming back. Have to see how much the boat tours are before we leave. Like doing a wee little boat tour. Still got the Ullswater steamers to do. We've done Windermere, one route. So yeah, we've been down the lakes a lot, haven't we, recently?
Yeah, just recently.
And normally we don't come very often. But we thought it's a great place to set the drone off. So there it comes in. So we'll walk a bit further along the lake. Oh, that's the drone being up again. So hopefully we've got some good footage for later when I put it online. I'm still just learning, you know, there's lots of things to learn about them. But they're very clever little things, I must admit, aren't they?
Oh, they are. I'm glad
You
we
know,
got one,
I'm
right?
glad
Yeah.
we got one. We've been humming and hawing for years, and I'm glad we got one. We always hum and haw, that's why we never buy out, do we?
Yeah, that's awesome.
But no, I'm pleased we got one because they capture some really nice footage.
Hopefully, I know that.
Yeah.
It's such a nice day.
Oh no, beautiful day. So we'll carry on a bit further and see if we can set it up again. And by that time the car park will run out, 2:15 or 2:10. And then we'll mosey on home and sit in the garden.
Yep.
So we'll catch you later on, guys.